day one at Tignes. We're going out to get some ski stuff, and then we're gonna...
Are you vlogging you?
Yeah, I'm on the vlog, it's me.
Oh.
We're gonna go out and get our skis and just see what we can do this morning, just try and get back into it. It's not the best weather. It's snowing, which is obviously gonna be good, but we'll just probably stay low and just do some basic runs to start off the day.
Yes.
You up for it?
Yes. Goodbye.
Goodbye. It's really snowy. Actually, the visibility down here isn't bad, is it?
No,
but
it's not too bad now.
Up at the top, it's not fun. Like, you can't see a thing.
It's good to be back. I'm just exhausted. It's good.
It's gonna be good.
So, day one of skiing is done. I think I've already said, but we were really tired from travelling yesterday, so I didn't like vlog any of the chalet, which is amazing, by the way. We've got like a catered chalet, so we get like a 3-course dinner every evening, or most evenings, and a cooked breakfast and stuff, which is amazing. And it's really nice. It's got its own hot tub. I'll show you later. Not been feeling my best today, but powered through anyway. My skiing has been good, hasn't it?
Pretty good. Really
Yeah,
impressed.
I think I've grown in confidence a little bit. I had a few knocks, which is normal, like falling over. But overall, I feel good. I've done quite a lot of blues and some greens. And I'm really impressed with my kit as well. I've got new Smith goggles, which I've got the like lower visibility lenses in right now. So the other ones are actually a little bit nicer. And my new Smith helmet, which matches Sam's. And I've got a buff from Sports Direct. My Sweaty Betty ski jacket, which I love. I love like the fur hood. I'm sure I would have posted some pictures on Instagram so you can take a better look. And I've got just Nevico white salopettes. And obviously my ski gear, which I hired. I hired the boots and the skis. But yes, that is the update. Sam's eating a Kit Kat chunky. Can't go skiing without a Kit Kat chunky, am I right? I'm gonna head back to the chalet now because I really want a bath, and they put on like a little afternoon tea spread, so I'm gonna have some cake. And I might try and have a little sleep actually. But Sam, you're gonna do some more skiing with Alex, aren't you? I didn't mention there's 10 of us actually. So it's quite a big group, and we've all got really nice rooms with an ensuite and stuff. So yeah, it's gonna be a really nice week. I just need to get some sleep. So I will probably show you around the chalet later and talk to you tomorrow.
See you in a bit.
Welcome to our chalet. You come through the front door and you've got the lounge, which has cute fairy lights. And it's got really like nice curtains and everything, proper chalet style. And nice view of the mountains. I think it's nicer over here. TV. And then we have a big dining room table, and we're in a catered chalet, so every day they put out like an afternoon tea. So today we've got chocolate flapjacks, and it says, "Welcome back, hope you had a good day skiing." They always leave like bread and jam and stuff out. And then on the other side, they write what we're having for dinner, and oh my god, that lamb cleftico, I can smell the lamb and it smells incredible. Last night was amazing. We had tartiflette, which is basically like all the cheese, potato and bacon. So this is the kitchen that we don't really use because they do everything. So obviously they left the lamb in the oven. And then there's basically just loads of bedrooms. So there's 10 of us, like I said, and they're all rooms of 2, and they all have like their own bathroom. So I won't go snooping in everyone's bedroom. I'll show you ours. But this is another one. This one's on 2 floors, which is cool. Another one in there. And then this is really cool. There's actually a steam room / sauna in here just for us. So we haven't actually turned it on yet and figured out how to use it, but I think this is really cool. It looks like brand new as well, which is nice. The stairs. I've got straight into my comfy thermal Sweaty Betty leggings. And then this is our room here. So we have got some storage, jackets hanging there, a nice bed here. It's actually really comfy, even though I didn't sleep. Bedside table. Again, nice little window. We've not really got an amazing view, but it's still just nice to be able to see out. Sorry, I'm really out of breath. It's like a combination of tiredness and the altitude. This is a really cute bathroom. So we've actually got a bath that I'm going to have now. I've got a face mask as well. It's really annoying because the shower doesn't actually have like a thing. So it's going to be pretty difficult to wash my hair, which needs washing because I've got serious helmet hair. And I literally can't breathe. But I need to show you the best thing about the chalet. The hot tub room. So next to our room, we've got this massive hot tub. I haven't actually been in yet, but the guys were in yesterday. Oh, the lens is steaming up. But basically it should fit, well, I don't know if it'll fit 10. It should fit 10 people, so that's really nice. And then there's another bedroom here. And that is Chalet house tour. I will put the details to our resort and the name of this down below. We booked it with Ski World, but I will put all info down below. It is now the evening of day 2 and I've actually washed my hair and put some makeup on, and I am sorry for the inconsistent vlogging, but because it is a big group holiday, vlogging is not my #1 priority, so I'm putting in like ski clips when I can. Tonight we are actually going out for dinner, so I think I'm going to try and take some clips on my phone of the food. Today was a fab day skiing as well. I feel like I'm growing in confidence and it's super fun. It was like minus 18 or something crazy though. It was absolutely freezing, so I'm definitely going to put on more layers tomorrow. Good morning! I am in full snow leopard outfit right now, and I found that pigtails are the only easy thing to put your helmet on and off and then change into a hat. So yes, I am ready to go, and everyone else is doing like a retro ski suit dress up day. I didn't actually buy one, but check this out. You look great. Wait, you need to put the headgear on first. It's meant to be like a competition to see who is best dressed. Woohoo, you look great.
All right.
Let's go.
Why have you got 2 glasses?
Oh yeah. Out this view.
Looking good. Oh, look at this one. Bloody hell.
I did my first red run.
Well done.
Halfway through the ski trip and I've actually had a total rest day today because I just feel slightly ill, like with a cold, and just super knackered. It's just a really intense, overwhelming week. I pushed myself yesterday and did loads of threads and it was amazing and really, really good, and we went to Folie and had so much fun, but I just feel shattered today in all senses. So I was sensible and took the day off because it was really bad visibility this morning as well, but now it looks bloody beautiful. It's quite late now, 4 PM, but look how nice that looks. It is time to get back on the slopes.
Hey!
fantastic day, and I'm now showered and in comfy clothes, and I feel like I just skied really well today. We had a little bit of sunshine as well, which is really, really nice. I think I'm quite burnt though, so sorry about my face. And then the visibility got quite bad again, so it wasn't so great this afternoon, but it was really, really good. I consider this to be my last like full day of skiing, because I was out for ages, whereas tomorrow it's meant to be snowing and quite bad weather all day, so I'm not hugely confident that I'm going to be out for very long tomorrow. But yeah, it's been really, really good. We've got one more full day left, and then we are heading home on Saturday. So yeah, I'm sorry if this vlog is all over the place, but hopefully there's lots of good footage. And tonight we are just chilling in with pizza, which will be nice. Oh, that looks good. How are you feeling? It's our final day and Sam is very hungover, so we are having quite a late start. The snow looks crazy outside, so I don't even know if I'm going to go out and ski. I need to go and see what everyone else is doing, but I am in my sweaty Betty base layers ready to go, but it is like snowing crazy and really bad visibility, so we only had one day of like really nice sun, which is a shame, although yesterday was nice. But this is what it looks like right now. I can actually barely see the chairlift, so I don't know how wise it is that I go out there, and it's snowing pretty hard. We are going out for our last few runs. Let's go. We just stopped to take some photos, and now loads of people have skied down and stopped exactly where we were to take the photo. Side step back up the mountain.
How are you doing?
Yeah, good. I done my last ski run. Woo! Nice. 2019 skiing complete.
Tick.
My legs hurt now, my knees are hurting. Had a great week, and I'm calling it a day at 2:05 p.m. I'm ready for the banana cake.
That's good. So I'm gonna just take you home, take you up a couple of lifts, ski home with you, and then I'll go find the boys for the last couple of hours.
Yeah, do some actual tough red runs. The visibility was okay down here, but further up it was really challenging actually. I was going really slow, so that's probably a bit boring, wasn't I?
These days to stay low in the trees if you can.
Yeah. So I think we are going to end the video here, because we're just going to be chilling in tonight. I might put some clips of dinner in, because it looks like the best menu ever. I filmed it earlier. It's like duck and dauphinoise. Sounds amazing. But then tomorrow we're up super early and just have a long day of travelling back home to London. So yeah, it's been a really amazing trip, hasn't it?
It's been good fun.
Yeah.
Going catered has just been a really good experience. First time I've done that.
Definitely. Less washing up and doing chores. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and
hit subscribe.
Hit subscribe, give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.
Goodbye.
Oh, we're going to Vienna soon, aren't we? There'll be another vlog soon that is also cold weather, but it won't be skiing, but it should be super fun, and I'm going to make it much more put together than this vlog, so make sure you subscribe. See you in the next one.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.